in May, the Holy Trinity Church of Lincoln kicked off its inaugural Arts Festival, a celebration of art, music, food, and fun.
Everything we could have asked for, a perfect day. A whole bunch of people came and enjoyed this. We had an unbelievable floral arts presentation, and I think that's what really rocked the boat.
Inside the church, people were treated to a floral arts display, conceptualized and developed by Conrad Kihas and the florists from the STEM Gallery.
I had a team of 4 people that came and helped me. We got everything, I conceptualized everything in my head, and then we created all these little gardens based on gardens around the world. So basically what this is the Day of the Dead, and so I created a shrine, and it's for all your loved ones. It's honoring all the souls of the dead. In Mexico, it has a really big meaning for Mexican culture. So they're cherry blossom trees. Put these up at the back of the church to kind of fill the space up a little bit. So this piece was kind of an American garden is what we're kind of going to. Everybody always thinks about America's red roses, it's the Freedom Rose.
This space is called the Columbarium, and so since this arrangement is in the Columbarium, it is a replica of what would be a funeral arrangement in Japan. Ikebana is focused mainly on motion, on creating movement in an arrangement.
This is kind of an Asian garden, and there's a lot of movement going through it. So this is kind of my twist on a little bit of a Holland garden. And so what I did was we got in a lot of different colors of tulips. To see the expressions on people's faces when they get flowers, even if it's just one flower, I think it's well worth it.
Oh, it's therapy. You can just put on some beautiful music and work with beautiful flowers and think beautiful thoughts.
I'm blown away. I belong to this church, and I would say if you didn't get to see it, you missed something.
To realize that creativity and art are a God thing, so to have this art in the church, it's joyful to me.
We just love to come to festivals like this. I think it's really important to support local artisan, craftsmen, artists.
This celebration of art and all things beautiful successfully brought the community together for what will hopefully be a yearly tradition.
The overwhelming question today has been, so you're doing this next year? We'll plan on it again.